Today I have the Samsung Odyssey G50SF OLED, grinding on Fortnite, showcasing one of the brightest and affordable OLED gaming monitors on the market today. This is actually my first time playing Fortnite on a consecutive basis. What I mean is, you're going to be seeing here on the G50SF OLED, I chose this monitor to start off my Fortnite gameplay or Fortnite beginnings. And as I get better, or hopefully better, I'll be upgrading to, I would say, a more premium monitor in the future. So if you love Fortnite and you love this affordable OLED, this is the home for you, as I have many gameplay videos coming up, friends, on a variety of monitors every single day to help you make that awesome buying decision. And in all my videos, I will have the settings showcased on screen so you can get the same impactful settings. This is one of the brightest and most affordable monitors on the market today, and games like Fortnite, first-person shooters, or esports at 180 Hz looks fantastic on QD OLED. You can see by the amazing trees, the fall colors, everything just pops on this screen. No VA or IPS panel can come close to the quality that you're getting here at these affordable prices. So it's time to game on the Samsung Odyssey G50SF OLED with Fortnite.
position for you. You're not done quite yet. Impressive work. I'll be in touch.